Texas Southern Tigers football. The Texas Southern Tigers is the college football team representing Texas Southern University, a historically black university HBCU in Houston. The Tigers play in the NCAA Division IFCS as a member of the Southwestern Athletic Conference SWAC, a conference whose members are all HBCUs. In 2012, the Tigers moved into the new BBVA Stadium, built for the city's Major League Soccer team, the Houston Dynamo. It replaced the Alexander Durley Sports Complex as the home of Tiger football. On December 3, 2015, Houston native Michael Haywood was hired as the Tigers' 16th all-time head coach. History. Classifications. 1952-1972, NCAA College Division. 1952-1969, NCAA. 1970-1984, NCAA Division IA. 1973-1976, NCAA Division Roman II. 1977, NCAA Division IAA. 1978 present, NCAA Division IA/FCS. Conference memberships. 1947-1951, Independent. 1952-1954, Midwest Athletic Association. 1954 present, Southwestern Athletic Conference. Football classics. Labor Day Classic. The Tigers compete against the Panthers of Prairie View A&M in the Labor Day Classic for the Durley Nix Trophy. The popular football rivalry began in 1946, but the Classic was created in 1985. Texas State Fair Football Showdown. Texas Southern University agreed to a major deal with the city of Dallas and the Texas State Fair to play the Southern University Jaguars in Dallas in 2018 and 2019. The game will take place in October in the Cotton Bowl Stadium during the Texas State Fair. TV broadcasting. In July 2017, Texas Southern renewed their deal with AT&T Sportsnet, formerly Root Sports Southwest, to televise all home football games. The cable channel reaches over 13 million households. Championships. National Conference Championships. Alumni in the NFL. Over 60 Texas Southern alumni have played in the NFL or AFL, including Michael Strahandegdeg, Trey Walker, Julius Adams, Melvin Baker, Ken Baroff, Greg Briggs, Ernie Callaway, Callaway, A. Callaway, A. Callaway, A. Callaway, A. Callaway, Arthur Cox, John Douglas, James Ford, Harold Hart, Winston Hildegard, Ernie Holmes, Kevin Johnson, Brett Maxey, Will Moore, Cortez Hankton, Jim Sorey, John White, Jim Young, Darvin Kidsey, Joseph Rogers, Oliver Celestine, Andy Joey Jamisondigdag, Pro Football Hall of Fame inductee. 2012 NCAA sanctions.